In this video, we're going to explore the science of addiction, where I'll be delving into a brief introduction to how biology, psychology, and the neurotransmitter dopamine intertwine to shape addictive behaviors, and actually understanding this complex interplay is quite crucial for studying addiction. So let's begin to uncover the mechanisms behind addiction and how this affects individuals and the society around us. The biology of addiction. Addiction is not just a matter of willpower. It's quite deeply rooted in our daily biology of life. Central to this are neurotransmitters like dopamine. These chemicals in the brain play essential roles in reinforcing and rewarding experiences. When behaviors overly stimulate, dopamine is released. This can lead to the development of addiction. This biological basis explains why overcoming addiction is very challenging and requires more than just simple determination. Psychological factors. Psychology provides another critical piece of the addiction puzzle. Factors such as stress, trauma, and mental health disorders can significantly influence the development and maintenance of addictive behaviors. These psychological aspects shape how individuals cope with life's ongoing challenges, often leading them towards or away from addictive behaviors. Understanding these can again be a fundamental key in addressing and treating all sorts of addictions. The dopamine connection. Dopamine, also known as the feel-good neurotransmitter, this one plays a major role in addiction. It rewards us for behaviors necessary for survival, for example, like eating. However, drugs and certain behaviors can seriously break this system and easily lead to an overstimulation of dopamine pathways in our bodies. This will eventually create a non-stop cycle of cravings and compulsive behaviors, tracing out all the traits of addiction. Integrating biology and psychology. Addiction is neither just a biological phenomenon, nor purely psychological. It's the result of a complex interplay between genetic, biological, environmental, and psychological factors. To intricate the interconnection means of effective treatment and understanding of addiction from a holistic perspective, considering both biological mechanisms and psychological influences. Conclusion. Our understanding of addiction. So, this was a very brief introduction, and in conclusion, addiction is a well rounded issue that spans biology, psychology, and the impact of neurotransmitters like dopamine. And by comprehensively understanding these aspects, we can address, treat, and support all those affected by addictive behaviors. Remember, addiction is a chronic condition that requires compassion, comprehensive care, and continued research to untangle all its complexities.